Get ready to drool over these Cornish hens with coffee liqueur sauce recipe. Hello and welcome to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and unique dish that's perfect for a special occasion or a fancy dinner at home. We're going to make Cornish hens with coffee liqueur sauce. This dish is a perfect combination of savory and sweet flavors that will leave your taste buds wanting more. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 Cornish hens, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. Directions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rub the Cornish hens with olive oil and sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Place the hens in a roasting pan and roast them in the oven for 45 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the hens are roasting, prepare the coffee liqueur sauce. In a saucepan, heat the chicken broth, heavy cream, coffee liqueur, honey, garlic, and rosemary over medium heat. Bring the mixture to a simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes or until it thickens. Once the hens are cooked, remove them from the oven and let them rest for 5 minutes. Serve the hens with the coffee liqueur sauce drizzled over the top. And there you have it, a delicious and unique dish that's sure to impress your guests. The Cornish hens with coffee liqueur sauce is a perfect blend of flavors that will leave your taste buds wanting more. This dish is not only delicious but also easy to make. So, give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.